Good evening, welcome to ITV News in Wales.
On the programme tonight, spreading a message of peace, Muslim community leaders, police and politicians insist they are addressing the problem of extremism here.
Also tonight, the education watchdog finds despite their best efforts, our schools still aren't beating the bullies.
Plus, Arthur Jones has been missing on the Greek island of Crete for more than a week. His family are now flying out there to try and find him.
When you marooned me on that godforsaken spit of land, you forgot one very important thing, mate. I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. Savvy?
And making an impression, how Schaefer's talent has turned him into an internet sensation. Hello, Muslim leaders in Cardiff.
It'll cheer up again. Come on. OK, now before we go this evening, we've got some news about us.
Yes, from Monday, we'll be producing all our news and programmes from a brand new studio at our new headquarters in Cardiff Bay.
Yep, rehearsals are well underway and there'll be a return of a familiar face.
Yes, Carl, thank you very much. Well, the move to our new home is almost upon us. There is plenty of activity going on here. We're very much looking forward to bringing you all the day's news from our new studio. And here it is. So do join me on Monday for Wales at 6. I hope to see you then.
We can't wait to see you. Yeah. It's all new, but we've had a great time in this studio and in this place too. Lots of memories, but we're going forward and lots more memories to come, eh?
I just want to know who's going to have these sofas. That's the thing, because you might well have noticed the eagle eye there that we are losing the sofas. Sofas are no more.
I tell you what, Ruth, I'll let you have the sofas because actually they're not that comfortable.
Don't go telling everybody now.
They know, it's out there. There you go. You've got some breaking news from us tonight. It's exclusive. So yes, we'll look forward to seeing you from our new base from Monday. Do tune in. Yeah.
Well, in the meantime, Rob Osborne will be sitting on these very sofas with the late news at 10:30. The ITV News continues now with Charlene White and Mark Austin from us. Thank you very much indeed for watching. See you soon.
Take care. Have a good weekend.